Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. It's your girl Kitty. Today I am doing a mukbang, obviously. I have um, chicken souvlaki skewers. I have a barbecue seasoned corn on the cob and a little bit of taco salad and a little bit of Greek pasta salad. Yeah, they were a little stingy with the little baby tomatoes. I think there was only 2 in the container. I was like, anyway. All right, before we begin, I would like to give a shout out to my MVP for the month of July, Ravage Raven. I will leave the link to his channel in the description box below. Go show him some love and let him know Miss Kitty sent you. It's actually my son's YouTube channel. He does gaming, just a heads up. So if you're not into gaming, cool. If you are, it would be greatly appreciated for the support. And if you just want to show some love and support anyways, feel free to do so. I'm just drinking some water. All right, I have my napkins. Let's dig in. Oh my gosh. I can legit say this is my first meal today. Oreo. Should be a nosy. See, this is why I don't let you in here, baby girl, because you're always in my business. She's like, but mommy, you have food. Oreo, get down. Get down. Yum. Mmm. You can't have any of this. It's seasoned and spicy. Oreo. You guys can't see her, but she's like right here. Her little nose going 90 miles an hour. I was gonna scoot her out of the room, but she was on my bed sleeping. But the second I come in here and sit down with food, she's all up in my face. So, yeah. I kind of wanted your guys' opinion. Me and my mom were kind of talking about this yesterday. We just got talking about, like, and I don't know if they did this in the States as well. Like, our tobacco products used to be, like, each brand had, like, a specific, like, very distinct color packaging and, like, their logo and everything. And now they're, like, all the cigarette packs look the same. They're the same color. It's a very blah, boring color. There's no, like, flashy advertisements on them. Why? I don't understand. They they want to say, like, tobacco use, clearly it's not good for you. Anything inhaled into your lungs other than oxygen is not good for you. It's just common sense. But you guys may think otherwise, and that's fine. Our opinions. That's just it. My opinion, your opinion. But why? Why did they remove the actual like brands and their logos? And if you're too concerned about tobacco products being like, thinking of the kids and yada yada whatever, don't freaking make it. Period. But they'll never do that because the tobacco industry is multi-billion, trillion-dollar industry. But I don't understand why take away these companies' look, because Health Canada, blah, 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 whatever. Like, they don't want it to be, attractive to the younger generation, and they don't want kids to be like, that the packaging has nothing to do with it, for one. Because I'm like, I don't get it. You can remove all that, but alcohol, every single brand of alcohol, whether it's like beer, wine, they're all continued to be allowed to have their logos and packaging untouched. It just kind of irritated me because I'm like, it's not really fair. It's very contradictory, really. Let's get into this corn. I'm curious. Like, it is seasoned. Oh my goodness. Don't pull on the table. That is delicious. That was so good. It's literally like $1 a piece, basically. It was $4 for a tray of 4. Hmm, a little more than like corn you buy, like an ear of corn and like a regular whatever. Anyway, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, back to what I was saying. What is your thoughts on that? Have they done that in the US? I'm not sure because I don't know. Well, I do know some US brands, but I'm in no way promoting alcohol or tobacco use at all. That's not a little disclaimer here. But I just noticed, like, not that I just noticed, but I just like, I don't even know how we got on the subject, but that just kind of like popped in my mind. I was like, why? Let's get this little tomato. Mmm. But yeah, what do you guys think of that? And if they have done that in your country and you're not Canada, US, you're from somewhere else, let me know. But like the packaging and advertisements of tobacco use is not going to make or break who smokes and who doesn't. You can come from a family, myself, of non-smokers. My dad used to be a smoker, but he quit many years ago. But like you can come from a family, like, yeah, he quit way before I was born. So I didn't, and when he smoked, my older sister was way too young to even know. But anyways, like we came from smoke-free home. I legit started smoking because I thought if you smoke, if you smoke, you're cool. I'm not kidding. Okay, we have to get in this corn again because wow, it is like marinated. Oh my gosh. And that's peaches and cream corn, I can tell. You can tell the difference between sweet corn and peaches and cream corn. Big difference. Peaches and cream's my favorite. Oh my goodness, guys. This meal is bomb. Mmm. Oh, you guys saw her a little bit. She just jumped in the corner behind the garbage can. Wowzers. Like I'm not gonna, I won't show you my pack of cigarettes, obviously. But if you're curious, like, what they look like, and I'm sure you can find it. Oh, she's trying to burrow under the blanket. Oh. Um. Oh, Oreo. You tried. I'm sorry. I just don't understand why put a halt to these companies' brand. Really, their whole brand. Like, oh yeah, you can continue to make your products that are harmful, potentially harmful slash no, potentially harmful slash harmful to people and their health and well-being, and but we have to put um warning information on it, and we can't make it colorful, and like you can't have your brand colors and stuff. Like, I just, what? If you're gonna put like health warning labels and stuff, why even push it for sales? And that's all it is. It's the money. You think they give two shits? Mm-mm. They don't care. And it's like every industry is the same. Look at the layout of grocery stores and stuff. They'll have all the like food that's like not the healthiest is at like eye level. You think they're gonna put, like, okay, for instance, like Honey Nut Cheerios, or no, just like regular Cheerios. That's supposed to be like a heart healthy cereal. I think that's the one they put the advertisement on it, maybe. And it's like, do you think they're gonna put that at eye level? No, they're gonna put all this like all the like sugary whatever cereals right in the eye view of little kids. And like the whole, speaking of like this, walking through the grocery store on the way to the checkout, they had massive displays of like gummy candies, like big tubs of them for like $1.99. Meanwhile, you want like a fruit or veggie tray and it's like $20. I just feel like I don't know. This is so good. Wow. So let me know what your thoughts. I mean, if you really take a step back and look at the whole picture, that's all it is it's regulated to the point that they have to advertise that it's not. Why does, okay, I'm back at it again. Why does the adult beverages not have warning labels? Someone tell me. I love corn, but it gets stuck in your teeth. Um, right? Am I right? Tell me I'm wrong. Someone tell me I'm wrong. Like, I'm not bashing anybody. To each their own. As long as you're grown, you can make your own decisions. But, like, my mom and I just, like, I don't even know how we got on the subject of it. I mean, and her thoughts were the same, like, it doesn't make sense. It's like the adult beverage industry can, like, glorify it and have all this pretty bougie packaging and in and rep their logos and their whatever, their company. But start putting all these warning labels on food. Sorry, you eat this. Too much consumption of this will give you diabetes. Like, where's all the warning labels on food items? So that is my little vent, spiel for this video. Stay tuned for the next one. I'm getting full. This was so good. Sorry, I'm scraping. Pretty kitty. No, I'm not talking to myself. That was like by far one of the best meals I've had in a while. And this is just items picked up from the grocery store. We barbecued these. We wrapped these in tin foil and threw them on the barbecue. I just bought a taco salad and the Greek pasta salad. Chef's kiss. Anywho, I got that from Poppy and Rosie. They say it all the time. It's so cute. If you're not familiar with who Poppy and Rosie are, look them up on YouTube. I adore them. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new, thanks for stopping by. I hope you consider hitting the subscribe button and don't forget to tap the notification bell so you are notified when I upload future content. But yeah, this was so good. Let me know what you guys had for dinner or lunch or breakfast, whatever time of day it is that you're watching this. And let me know with my whole little rant, if you think I'm right or you think I'm wrong, how things are in your country in regards to those products. And yeah, just let me know your thoughts. I love hearing from you guys in the comments section. I love it. I try to respond as promptly as possible. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this and I will see you in my next one. Deuces.